GetResponse CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using GetResponse CRM, you've come to the right place. You'll find links to the product in the description below. Let's dive straight into the features. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform primarily designed for small to medium-sized businesses. Its CRM capabilities allow you to manage your contacts, track customer interactions, and streamline your marketing efforts effectively. One of its standout features is the automation capabilities, which allow you to create customized workflows to nurture leads, set reminders for follow-ups, and even automate email campaigns based on user behavior. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can easily segment your audience, manage campaigns, and analyze performance metrics all in one place. Another notable feature is the built-in landing page builder, which helps you create high-converting landing pages without needing any coding skills. Plus, GetResponse integrates seamlessly with various third-party applications, including e-commerce platforms, social media, and analytics tools, enhancing its functionality even further. GetResponse is particularly ideal for marketers, e-commerce businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to streamline their customer management while enhancing their marketing efforts. However, it's worth mentioning that while GetResponse offers many features, some users have noted that the reporting capabilities could be more robust, especially for advanced analytics. That said, it's still a solid choice for those seeking a comprehensive CRM solution. In summary, GetResponse CRM is a powerful tool designed to help businesses effectively manage customer relationships and marketing campaigns in one platform. If you find this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and useful information. Together, we can help others make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.